entire history of the universe and everything that's ever happened in your whole life has led to this moment watching this video right now, where I'm going to tell you about this little book that could potentially completely transform your life. That book's called The Peaceful Place. Stay tuned. Hey, so I'm super excited to tell you about this little book, The Peaceful Place. It's basically a really simple guide to finding peace within yourself and bringing a peaceful way of being into every aspect of your everyday life. And it's quite a short book, it's literally just 60 pages. It's just like the essence of spirituality. It's like the simplest path to finding inner peace and living a peaceful life. And it goes through the whole spiritual journey from start to finish. And the book actually came to me in a deep meditation. I was meditating really deeply and these words just started arising about the peaceful place and that this is a really simple way of finding inner peace. And I wrote those words down, and the next day a few more words came and the book kind of emerged out of that deep meditation process. So the book is broken up into 5 different parts. So the first part of the book is just about what is the peaceful place, and talks about how the peaceful place is basically that part of you that's always peaceful, it's always content. And it's that part of you that's actually really easy to tune into. It's not hard to find, if you follow the right approach. And I talk about the qualities of the peaceful place. I talk about stillness, compassion, and expansion, and how these qualities can help guide you to the peaceful place and help you know that you've found that place within yourself. In the second part of the book, I talk about practicing peace, and I go through 6 super easy meditation techniques. They're like the easiest practices you can possibly do. They're really easy meditation techniques so you can really experience that peaceful place for yourself, and they're practices that you can integrate into your everyday life as well. In the third part of the book, I talk about living with peace. So I talk about, how do you practice peacefulness and how do you find the peaceful place when you're in a really difficult time, like you might be in a crisis or an argument or something difficult happening in your life. How do you find peace in those situations? And also talk about the practical aspects of, like, how do you create a regular practice in your life and how do you set up a space for practice? The fourth part of the book is all about deepening into your practice. So I talk about things like self-inquiry, to just question everything, question who you are, what is reality, why are we here, to kind of break apart all those beliefs so you can come into a deeper understanding of the peaceful place. And that deeper understanding is that the peaceful place and peacefulness is the core of our being. A bird just flew past. The peaceful place is the core of our being. It's that natural state that we can fall into, and the natural state that's actually always there. So it allows you to be peaceful 24 hours a day and find that effortless place of peace. And the last part 5 of the book, is about just letting it all go. It's basically, at the end of the spiritual journey, you just kind of let it all go, let all those concepts go, all those beliefs, everything you know or didn't know about the peaceful place, just kind of let it all go and just kind of rest in that joyous peacefulness without needing to attach to particular ideas. So yeah, it's that kind of freedom that comes with the spiritual journey. Yeah, so that's the peaceful place, and I really hope you check it out, because I really hope that it, I really feel like it can really bring a lot of benefit into a lot of people's life. So if you want to check it out, please have a look on Amazon. If you type in The Peaceful Place, it'll come up, or you can look at the links below. And at the moment I've got it on like a super discount price of just $3 if you want to download the Kindle version that you can read on your phone, or you can look at it on your computer or your tablet. There's also a paperback version available if you want to get the hard copy. Yeah, so that's it. I really hope you enjoy The Peaceful Place and that it brings a deep peace into your life.